Eto na. Ito may question si Pangkin. Tito, may P2P po ba sa Exness? Actually, Pangkin, Exness has one of the most convenient ways to deposit. Pakita ko sa'yo. There you go. So, meron tayong bank transfer, Bitcoin, cash over the counter. Eto pa, GCash. Straight to Exness. Dito, rekta na from your GCash, you can deposit sa Exness account mo. So that is so good. Yeah, so there are other options. May online bank transfer and a lot more options here. Ang mahirap kasi sa P2P is it's prone sa scams. By the way, on the next video, pag-usapan natin how to do the verification process and how to cash in step by step. By the way, Pangkin, if wala pang Exness, the sign-up link is in my profile. Just click the link there and then look for Exness. If you have other questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you're new here, hit the plus.